Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Register today for Stellar Talent Search exam. Admissions are open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2021.
गोंयांत एका तारांकीत हॉटेलात कॉन्क्लेवाच्या वेळार हो कथीत प्रकार घडिल्लो आनी ताचेर तेजपालाचेर केस जाल्ली. तेहलकाचेच बायल पत्रकाराचेर लिफ्टीत बलात्कार केला म्हूण आरोप आशिल्लो तेहलकाचो आदलो संपादक तरुण तेजपाल 8 वर्सांनी निर्दोश. ट्रायल कोर्टान अर्द दिली. शुक्रारा कोर्टात तेजपालाचे वतीन ताची धूव कारा उबी रावली. तिणें तेजपालाचो स्टेटमेंट वाचलो. CCTV फुटेजींतल्यान आपूण निर्दोष सिद्ध जाला अशें तेजपालान स्टेटमेंटात म्हटलां.
On behalf of my father, Tarun Tejpal, seldom does a long fought for vindication arrive hand in hand with profound heartbreak. Last week, my trial lawyer Rajiv Gomes died of COVID. Dynamic and brilliant, at 47 he was on the brink of his scintillating career as a criminal lawyer at the national level. It is with profound respect that I thank this court for its rigorous, impartial and fair trial and for its thorough examination of the CCTV footage and other empirical material on record. In these 8 years, a host of outstanding lawyers came to our aid and we owe them all a deep debt.
I would like to say that my father has put in a tremendous amount of hard work and dedication into this case. The final written argument was consisting of 600 plus pages, which shows the amount of workload that he put in into the case.
तेजपाल सुटलोच कसो काय म्हूण सरकारी आदोगादाक अजाप. सरकाराची अपील करपाची तयारी.
Judge must. The state will feel aggrieved and therefore the state will be preferring an appeal against the judgment. That's all that I can say at this point. Yes, there is a certain period within which it has to be filed, and we will be filing within that time frame. That's for sure.
Sir, do you see it as a setback?
Yes, serious setback.
सरकार ट्रायल कोर्टाच्या अर्द्याआड हायकोर्टात वता म्हूण मुख्यमंत्र्यान स्पश्ट केले.
ऑफकोर्स म्हाका दिसता ज्या पद्दतीचो वर्डिक्ट आयला त्या पद्दतीत एका महिलेचेर अन्याय जाल्लो आसा. ज्या केसीचे बाबतींत हो अन्याय जो आसा गोंय राज्यांत सहन केलो वयचो ना. म्हणटा वी आर फायलींग अगेन्स्ट इन द हायकोर्ट. आमी त्या केसीच्या अगेन्स्ट हायकोर्टान वता. आमी अपील फायल करतले तेज्या अगेन्स्ट एखाद्या महिलेचेर अशा पद्दतीचो. म्हणजे हांव ऑलरेडी विथ जो आमचो एडवोकेट ती केस पळयता, इन्व्हेस्टिगेटींग ऑफिसर्स ह्या सगळ्यां कडेन हांव उलयलो आनी गोईंग थ्रू डॅट वी आर अपिलींग डॅट इन टू द हायकोर्ट रोखडेच.
तेजपालाची इतली वर्सां केस हाताळिल्लो राजीव गोम्स हालींच कोविडान गेलो. तेजपालाच्या फॅमिलीन ताका आर्गां ओंपली.
Rajiv Gomes was such an exceptional lawyer that he took on the entire system and he won. With his legal skills, with his ability to marshal the case, me and my family owe Rajiv Gomes for the rest of our lives.
Bureau Report, Prudent.